Patience, trying our best, and patient. With COVID and so many decisions being made for us, it's doing to your body. Patience is an action. Hi everyone, Michele Welch here, and welcome to Glenda and Michele, where nutrition meets meditation. So, how's your patience? Are you finding it hard to be patient these days? Well, you're not alone, so stick with me while we dial in with the simplest, fastest way to tap in to your inner reserve of strength and, yes, patience. Seems like we need an awful lot of patience these days just to manage to navigate the daily stats, the daily information that's coming at us during this time of COVID. If anything, it has taught us to adapt and work with change. But what about patience? Are you fed up with being patient? And how are we going to fix this? How are we going to keep moving forward without feeling ourselves implode and feeling impatience become an overpowering state of being? So let's first define patience. Patience is, according to a dictionary definition I have here, patience, the capacity to accept or tolerate delay. Accept or tolerate. Tolerate doesn't sound like patient. It sounds like a struggle. Anyway, to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset. Tolerate. When you're tolerating something, are you actually being patient? Or are you just like push, pull all the way through it? So what is the shortcut to get us to patience? Stick around. I'm just going to show you in the short video a quick way to access that. Let's just think about what the opposite of patience is and how that feels. When we're impatient, it's like this ticking time bomb is ready to blow. It's like things just can't be fast enough. Maybe you'll feel it in your chest. Maybe you feel your heart rate increase. What about your jaw? Or is there tightness in your gut? Is that then affecting your digestion? This impatience, the things are meant to be something other than they are. And that is where suffering lies, is when we're trying to make something happen rather than get into the flow of acceptance. Now, I'm not suggesting we put on a happy face and walk around as if nothing bothers us. Of course, things are going to get in our way, make us feel like we need to move through things. But things are going to get in our way. They're going to rattle us a bit. But let's keep coming back to our true selves, coming back to our inner stillness, to find that moment where we can just stop everything and really be still and feel our breath and notice our heartbeat and notice where we're holding our tension and be witnesses to that inner dialogue that's going on, to be the witness of it and say, okay, this is really bugging me. What am I going to do about it? I'm going to hold on to it. Because is the holding on making you feel good, making you happy? Is the holding on, is the tension, is the keeping the complaining or the suffering alive? Is that process helpful to you? I have a quote for you from Bruce Lee. Patience is not passive. On the contrary, it's a concentrated strength. How do we be mindfully aware of the need to be patient? Well, we have to always come into our bodies and see where our bodies are at. See where our breath is taking our energy. And then after you've checked in with your body, check in with your thoughts. If there's a cycle, like a hamster wheel of thoughts, and it just keeps magnifying, reigniting that impatient state, then noticing those thoughts allows you to then release them and choose something better. You're still going to come back to the circumstance. The circumstance may still be the same, especially now with COVID and so many decisions being made for us. And we're trying our best to be loving and help everyone, but we can still feel those feelings, those frustrating feelings of being impatient for it to end. But here's the secret that will dial you into patience every single time. And that is, I want you to try this right now. Just gently close your eyes. Put your hands on your chest where your heart center is. And then just slowly breathe in and out. And feel the pressure of your hands touching your skin at your heart. And notice you're alive. Notice that you're breathing. Notice that you're here right now. And then I would like you to tap into a deep feeling of love for yourself. Love and acceptance and patience. And when we activate love, and this is the secret, we activate patience. And then you can open your eyes again. When we want to tap into patience, we cultivate loving thoughts. So loving memories, appreciation for yourself and all the things you do in a day, all the things you live for, what you stand for, what lights you up. The good things that work, the parts of your body that are working, anything that will help you to appreciate yourself and activate that love energy. Loving energy is unconditional and patient. And in that energy of love, impatience, it may come, but it'll flow right through. And so that's my tip for you today. Patience actually is an action. I invite you to take this with you as we move forward through these crazy times. Have a wonderful week. Thanks for dropping by. And as usual, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when Glenda and I release a new video. Have an awesome week and wishing you lots of patience today.